Hello, I'm Ian from Commode Healthcare, and today we're going to show you our Seahorse Paediatric shower chair Commode. It's very, very adjustable, and it will take children from the year of 5 to 10. Let me just show you basically the main features of this chair. So it does come with a liner which can be adjusted or swapped for a different thickness liner depending on the size of child, and it has an adjustable harness, and I'll just show you the chest harness here. So this will be attached on either of these three positions. So you have the straps coming through the back, and you've got a choice of three positions here. We've set it in the lowest one, but we can also quickly just move it from here to here or to this one at the top. And at the back, we are able to adjust this length of strap by this little bracket here. Okay, so just press that, and that goes from there to there, the top one. Okay, and then we'll do the same on this one here. Pop it through the top, and then the harness fits in the usual way, male and female connection here. We also have a lap belt which is adjustable, and then the bottom clips for the harness are a non-tamper push fit, like so and like so. Okay, so that obviously all that can be adjusted to suit the size of your client or your patient. The leg rest height can be adjusted, and what we've done here, we've shown you in the lowest position and the shortest position, and it can be adjusted by just removing this little pin here, and then the leg rest can be put into whatever position. We'll just line it up with the holes and replace your pin. It comes with a pommel to stop client or patient from slipping out, like so. So it can be easily removed by pressing or pushing the little red tab up and pushing forward. The armrests are adjustable by turning this little blue button here. You've got a certain amount of rake up and down. They're removable too, and we can then put a meal tray attachment on as well. So it just fits in the same slot, like so. It can be adjusted for height in the same way, and when you want it out of the way, we can flap it out like so. Okay. The chair also has a little button here on the hand grip, and that allows us to put it onto tilt-in space. Very good rake of tilt-in space there. Okay, and the headrest will adjust for height, like so, and also for forward and backward adjustment, like so. Once it's in position, we can tighten that. Okay, it comes with 4 braking castors. Just simply push them down like so, release when not needed, and the chair is obviously suitable for going into showers and over toilets if that is appropriate. So let's just show you now how the Commode releases from the seat base. So just a little button here which we lift, and the Commode releases from the back. There you go. And then it's simply put it back, pull that button up, and it just slots in like so. We have the chair in its lowest setting, and I'm just going to show you the seat height there. It's around 560, so that's 56 centimeters. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information or you have more interest in this chair, please catch us at updates@caremed.healthcare and we'll be very happy to help you. Thank you.